Good morning, everyone. So today we shall start something which I have not new, something old. But before that, let's go for 30-second meditation. Take off your specs. Close your eyes. Fold your hands. Concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you've got in life. Take your parents' blessing by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind, becoming stronger. Whatever you discuss today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands. Touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks, and open with gentle smile. After some days, I'll be asking what is the feeling that you start the class with 30-second meditation. Not now, I'll ask after 2-3 days. If it's good, you tell me, it's bad, you tell me. But I know it's very effective. It puts your mind focused to someone. Just give me 1 minute time. The sun is so big, so hot, but sun cannot burn us. But once you put it to a magnifying glass, it will burn. Similarly, your mind is bigger than the sun, moon, solar system, earth, whole world. Mind is bigger. Because we can see in mind everything. We can bring it so that your mind is bigger. But your mind is scattered this way. Mind cannot do anything. Just like sun is so hot and powerful, cannot burn us. But once you put it, focus this magnifying glass, it will burn. Similarly, when you focus your mind to certain things, then you can do excellent. That's the thing all about. It's no relation with any religious sort of things, but it's very much essential for everybody in the world. You see Tendulkar, how he concentrates in the excellence. So similarly, we are bringing that thing in our class, and you cannot focus on certain things for a long time. It also happens. When we shall be working for a long time now, just give 2-3 minutes gap after 25 minutes work, even study. But here, when you focus this way, you can concentrate 1 hour, 30, 90 minutes, and for that purpose we are doing it. So today, this is not there. You are having you are having with you. What I am going to do here, you are having. Let's first 30 minutes I discuss the questions that I have given to you. Earlier I gave a question to make trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. And you have done that way, that day. And balance sheet, tell it. And everybody please feel like 11th class student and then you practice because you are a student. Don't think I passed some higher courses and I should not. Don't think that way. Just pause. Atharva will be very happy. And one more from Maharashtra, he will be also happy to see the question. Sant Tukaram, isn't it? Sant Tukaram. Everybody knows it. So, you see, this is a question. I am talking to the question, the businessman. Okay, so let's discuss this thing. Once again, I'll brush up everything and then I'll go for some practical. That this question is over or not? Tell it. Gross profit, net profit, all this, could you do it?
One more can explain. One more.
Can you revise it?
One. With like proper profit loss, then how it is going.
I'll do it.
Yeah. One.
So I'll do it. I'll do this. Any one question from here?
Any one question like one by one.
Fresh question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that I can do. That will be better because in one stop it's very difficult.
Can you revise last class?
You can do last class also. You can tell me about last class also. Okay, like you draw it here. No problem. Trading account in the books of you have to concentrate. Write the name of the businessman. Trading account. Trading account. I'm writing it single, not together today. Only trading account. Let me do it here. Only trading account. And let me give you a debit. Everybody follow nicely. Everybody follow nicely. Concentrate. Particulars. Please note down. In the books, whatever is given. Particulars. Amount. So this is trading account. A trading account you specially show the purchase, sale, and anything connected with purchase and sale. What you understand by trading? You can find out from Google later on what is trading exactly. Not necessarily trading in stock market only. This is one name only. But trading, generally you understand what is trading. You purchase goods and sell goods, not producing. Purchasing is selling. So for that, and one is say you to write profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Okay, one more thing here, for the year ending. You have to write for the year ending. You give the date, whatever date, and here also you have to write for the year ending 31st. What was the date, you remember? I think it was the date. I think it's the date. Whatever to be the date or the earlier question. So this is profit and loss account. This is profit and loss account. These two parts we will learn it separately. And once you understand this technique, then you can understand other things also. Let's go by item by item. So this is profit and loss account. And let's draw balance sheet also. These are the three main parts. In the books of you write balance sheet. Balance sheet you have to give the date as on 31st March 2025. If it was the date, then give this way, and this, and this, and this, and this. And don't give as a debit and credit here. Balance sheet is a statement. It's not an account. So debit and credit you should not write. Amount. So this is the format all about a sole tradership business. You can go with me. One good, yes.
We have to write in the books of every time we make three different accounts.
Yes. Sometimes we combine these two together. This and that.
No, in case of balance sheet, we
Yeah.
also have to write in the books of.
Yeah. Because sometimes suppose in some, when you learn, this is the complex set. This is the set, this is the components of final account of a sole tradership business. Component. What are the components? These are the components. But maybe in question, in exam, you shall be asked to do this only, and they will be giving you net profit. Maybe you shall make only profit and loss account. There will be the result of trading account gross profit. But once you learn everything, you can answer any question. Today we shall go from the beginning, one by one. Can anybody take the question? And I can also find here the question, earlier question. Anybody has? You can tell me the item one by one. Item, not this one. This is the.
Sir,
Yes.
one more question. There are 5 types of books. First is
5 types
journal
of?
books, journal entry, double book entry, and then these 3. Trading
Please,
from.
please repeat the question.
There are 5 types of books.
5 types of
Books.
Books.
books. How?
General entry,
Yeah.
double book entry,
Journal, ledger, trial
journal,
balance,
ledger, with
trial
trading.
balance, and these things.
6,
Main.
total 6.
Yeah.
Journal.
But you know, I cannot say total.
Journal entry, ledger.
Journal you have done.
Yes, sir.
Step 1. You have posted to ledger. Lots of ledger you made.
Double entry book.
2 double entries. And after journal and ledger, you made a trial balance.
Trial balance.
Why? To check the accuracy,
Okay.
whether it is correct or not arithmetically. The trial balance is over, it means all books of accounts are
Closed.
arithmetically correct. Maybe some hidden mistakes, but arithmetically correct. When you are confirmed about the books of accounts being arithmetically correct, only then you can go for this. Otherwise, you should not start it. No business should go for these things without making the trial balance daily. Trial balance is a gate. You have to cross over to the other side. Okay. Step by step there is checking. That is a checking. And I taught you what balancing also. I'll revise in one class later. Again. From October I'll revise one class. Yes.
But we make these 3 accounts at the end of financial year.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. But journal you keep on doing every day, every hour, every minute. Ledger also you can do posting simultaneously or do at the end of month. It will take lot of problem if you defer it. But journal continuously do, or you leave the vouchers here at the very outset. You get the vouchers. When you sell something, no, you get a cash memo. There's a voucher. When you purchase something, there's a cash memo some paper is there, there's a voucher. When you pay money to someone, then there is a receipt. When you pay salary to someone, there's a receipt. All these things are vouchers. Keep it somewhere. Project. From each voucher, you find out one journal. All vouchers will come to journal. These are not the vouchers. Voucher is a proof of a transaction. You take for cash book to understand. Cash memo. Take your cash memo. Take your telephone bill. Take your electricity bill. These are vouchers. These are the original point where from everything will start. Suppose there is no voucher, you pass the journal, how can you make the journal? And even after everything is done, then auditor will come, you will see, okay, everything is fine, show me the voucher. Poof. Anyway, that's the voucher. At the last part of this course only, I'll be talking about that also. So auditing is there. Anyway, now let's start it. Then yes, please.
So you made trading and profit and loss account separately. Is this for explaining purpose or both are correct? Like combining them or making them separately?
I didn't understand.
You have made trading and profit and loss account separately.
Today I've done separately, then they put together.
Is this for explaining purpose or both are correct? Combining
Both
them?
are correct.
Both are correct.
You can put together. We generally put together, but now for explaining very nicely, I put separately. And if you put separately, there is no problem. But you can put in one trading and profit and loss account. One. This seems to be same drawing, no? Then a particular point, trading account will be over. Suppose this much over. Here only UPL account.
Then we draw a line in between.
Yeah. That I did, I think that. And today I put in differently. No problem. Now, let's take one by one item. Can you tell me one item, any one item from the question, then this question? Well, I have to find out question. You have the question, everything you, please, you should have these things with you. I forgot his where. You are having it?
No, sir, but
Are you
class
already-
was on 5th.
Sir, it's
But
in
class
last-
was on 5th.
No, I shared it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It's in
it is on
group.
accounting group. Yeah,
WhatsApp
it is in the
group.
WhatsApp group.
You are having it.
हाँ.
Then find out from your mobile or you tell me the item by item.
Accounting group में आया.
You can tell me one by one item. I'll show you what it goes and why.
सर एक बार आप बोर्ड पे भी दिखा सकते हैं वो थोड़ा बड़ा दिखता
I'm
है.
searching it. I'm searching it. Which date I did it? Yes, oh, fifth. Yes, it is there only. This one. Rahul Raja. It is with me only. This one.
नो सर तुकाराम है.
नहीं तुकाराम जी नहीं करेगा. बाद में करेगा. Rahul Raja. This is earlier question. This is this question. Let's explain any one by one and put it here. And some people who what they do now, see, one way is complete trading account, then go to PL account, then make a balance sheet. This is the way one has to do. But some intelligent people who do chartered accounts and all, what they do, they whatever get the item, they put where it should go, and then total to save time. There's some people do it to save time. Like capital account is coming the balance sheet, put it. What happened? Or HS first year bacha what it does 11 plus, they put trading account complete, gross profit coming, then PL account complete, then this that way. So you can do anyway, but you have to tick and go. If you take a trial balance in the question paper, you should tick what item you have done. Otherwise you'll get confused. What would be your standard? Even chartered accountant doing it, you'll be getting confused if it doesn't tick it. Because at the end, you will forget what you put, what to put. It will full. So I advise my students, first, any item you take, tick it. And in the trial balance, if all the items are one time ticked, that means this is clear. Then in adjustment, there should be how many ticks one item? Two ticks. I told you two time. Adjustment, everything has to be 2 time. I told you. Why? Because these are not entered, you have to give double entry. So let's do one thing. Capital, I'm taking it first. I'm not going sequentially. I've drawn it and left it. But to save time, I can go this way. After you have done, nobody can understand how we did it. But this is a technique you can do. Instead of going for trading account, I've got capital first, writing it here. Today do it with capital how much? 1,50,000 you write here. Capital 1,50,000. Any question why it is here, why it is here? You just pause for some time and then you can ask me off question. Let me finish one question. Otherwise it will not be finished. But I am ready to take any question later on. That will be better for you. As in drawings, you understand?
In the amount column you have to write 1,50,000.
I am not put because, you know, one more thing you understand in this type of thing, there are two columns. This is main column and there is one virtual column. You put a line also, but you need not. So why this virtual column is there? This is first column, second column, here also. For doing some plus, minus, all this rough work. Got it? That's why I put it here. Because I know there will be profit or loss. There will be added here. There will be drawings deducted here. So do it and come. They also you should see. And in accounts we say inner column, outer column. We call that way. Inner column, outer. That's clear? Why inside? See drawings. Drawings amount taken for personal use by owner. So this is gone out of the business. Business and businessman is separate. Just taken for personal use. Business, he brought it, money. And he taken out for personal use. So to be deducted from there. To be deducted. So let me deduct. Less drawings. Less drawings how much?
20,000.
I'm still putting inside. Because profit or loss will be coming from that side. That's why. Sales. Sales will always be the trading account. Trading account. It means you have sold the goods. Sales how much? 3,20,000. I'm writing here. I have seen there is a return. And suppose you have no time in exam to check all question return is there or not. Then also you put here later return comes you right there. Because sales return will be reduced from sale. Very simple. We sold 3,20,000 and maybe some returns. It is there only, sales return. Sale is reduced. Logic is clear. The sold goes, then people return. So less returns. Please write. How much? 5.
10,000.
Inner column, outer column. Don't mind my handwriting, you write properly. I'm just writing whatever there. So everybody got the logic that sales should be reduced by returns. The logic is there. And it should be done that way properly. Inner column, outer column. And then purchases. Is there opening stock? There is some sequence in there. If there is opening stock, they should come at the top in trading account. There is some convention is there. Some convention. Even here also some convention you ask later on. Two types of methods are there. I'll tell you that. But there remember opening stock must come at the top. But suppose the business is new, there is no opening stock, maybe that also. Business is first time, then start to purchase. But you check it, opening stock you write first. You have to remember. $50,000. 2 purchases. You please write. 2 lakh. Less returns. Purchase return 5,000. 1,95,000. purchase is reduced by returns. And this rule I need not teach you again in some other question different. No, this rule in everything, everywhere. In big company, small business, this rule is rule everywhere. And logic is with you. You purchase for 2 lakh and return 5,000. Very simple. And then opening stock I have given. Wages. Wages is in expenses. There is no doubt. Yes.
So you written the opening stock.
Opening stock you have not found. 50,000 I have seen. See 50,000 opening
No, opening
stock.
stock I got.
This one.
Purchase is
You want to know the meaning or what?
less
So opening stock I have put 50,000 first. I
So
think.
why opening stock is at the above?
Top.
At the top.
You are starting the business today. On the first day, you see these goods are stock. Last year's unsold goods. Right? Logic is there.
Okay.
These goods were purchased last year and were not sold. And these were closing stock of last year. And today it is opening stock for this time. And then you purchase. Logic is there. So opening stock is coming first. And you have purchased then. And purchase reduced by returns. Now, there will be more expenses, and there is a point to be noted that there is some confusion with certain expenses. I'll give you the rules once again. Where go, what goes. Any expenses in connection with purchase will come in the trading account. Any expenses in connection with production, if there is any, you will not find much. But if there is any, which is connection with production, there is a trading organization. But I told you, it also may be something producing somewhere small way. The production expense, it may be having some small factory also. So, that if any, connected with producing and selling, purchase. Those expenses will come in here. Then any expenses related to sale, maintenance of business, running the business, office expenses, all will be coming to this PL account. So your wages, tell me why it will go wages.
But sir, you wrote sales.
Wages?
You wrote sales in the trading account. But
No,
just- Sir, you wrote sales in the trading account, but just now you said that all the things related to sales will come in PL account.
Yes, because there are two types of expenses in accountancy. One is direct expenses, one is indirect expenses. Direct expenses come in trading account, you can say that way. You may not have cost accounting, or you have maybe, there we shall teach what is direct expenses, what is indirect expenses. Direct expenses will be coming here, and indirect expenses come to PL account. But at the same time, one thing you have to remember, at the very outset you see in the adjustment, if there is any item connecting with these things, you have to adjust then and there. Then I'll take 30 minutes time today or tomorrow. I'll give you some rules for the adjustment. I will explain, but I give you written with logic. I want to give. But now you just understand and do. See, there is outstanding wages. So, 2 wages, you write how much? Later on I'll give you written form note I'll give, but now you understand, in the question, the adjustment, there is a outstanding wage. Outstanding means unpaid. 25,000 wage you have paid it, clear. It's coming to travelers. But later on you have been given the information that another 3,000 wages unpaid. So what do? Your wages is not 25,000. It is actually plus 3,000, actual picture. You support or not? What is your actual expenses? You have paid 25,000, but 3,000 you have to pay today or tomorrow. It is outstanding. So add or less? Add. Add outstanding. Logic is there. The total wage is 28,000.
So wages is a direct.
Yes. Yes. For the time being, little bit you stop direct, indirect, all these things because you may be confused. Let us finish one question.
Sir,
Nicely.
on debit side we write expenses, on credit side we write
Yes.
revenue.
Yes. There's also point. You will discover a lot of things when I am doing. And also you will discover a lot of things when you do yourself. You discover in regular practice, this new things will be coming and be fixed. Okay.
बैलेंस शीट में भी आएगा ना बिकॉज अकाउंट्स पेएबल का पार्ट होता है
Which one?
आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस
Exactly. You are right. See, first of all, I told you whatever given in the adjustment will be having two treatments. Point number one. Point number two, we paid wages 25,000. There is no question about that. But we did not pay 3,000. We increased the expenses. At the same time, we have to remember that this 3,000 is our liability. Right? This 3,000 is your liability. So you put here. You can put later also, but let me put here today. I am putting directly for understanding. You put later on also by clicking second time. It's up to you, but learn, you do whatever you like from your style. But I am now putting it here so that you can understand instantly. 3,000 should I put or not here? I am putting a bit below because I have to do something here. Outstanding wages will come here, accepted, as is understood as saying, it's liability. So let me write here. If you do simultaneously all, then you have to take some care because if you write it here, then there will be disturbed, no? Leaving some space. But at least in mind you understand, yes, this is going here and here, here and here. This is done only. Carriage inward. There are two types of carriages. Carriage and carrying charges. Truck, rail, no, train, you carry the goods. When you purchase the goods, you carry carriage inward. When you sell the goods, maybe you are giving to customers, sending to them, and then you pay the freight and carriage, maybe carriage outward. Now from your logic you tell me, carriage inward should come which place? Huh? Carriage inward? Which account first? Trading. And expense definitely debit side, no need to think. Expense debit side. To carriage inward. Let me write it, then I'll take up again. Carriage inward is 4.
So can you please explain this carriage inward and outward?
Please write first. I'll tell you. Carriage inward 4,000. Please write. I'm coming to you. Yes. Yes. Who asked me something? Yeah.
Yeah, can you please explain this carriage inward and outward?
Of course. You are a businessman. You are a trader. You have purchased goods from Gujarat, and goods are coming by train or anything, truck. Then it's carrying charges. You have to pay. So the carriage inward, आने का time में carriage. And maybe it depends on the agreement between you and the supplier. Sometimes he may pay for you and collect from you later. I don't know, whatever be the agreement. So, when you purchase goods from Gujarat, your supplier sending goods to you and asked you, please pay the carrying charge yourself. This is carriage inward. This goods coming under arena. But it may be otherwise. You have sold goods to Kerala. And the agreement is that they told you, भाई साहब आप भेजो केरला में और आप ही दे दो carrying charges, बाद में देखा जाएगा. So you are sending goods to Kerala and you are paying the carriage for truck or train or whatever. This is in case of sale. That is carriage outward. Both are expenses. Both coming debit side. Don't confuse with return inward and return outward. This is a different thing. Return inward, return outward, totally different thing. Carriage inward, carriage outward, both are expenses. When it is carried inward, it connected with purchase. And I told you, anything expense connected with purchase should come in the trading account. Suppose there is not there, I think. Suppose there is carriage outward, where you should put? Suppose there is carriage outward. Where you should put, tell me?
Sales.
No.
Trading sales.
Carriage outward.
Trading sales.
Then
Selling.
Trading
It
and
will
trading.
come to PL account. There only sale comes, but expenses of sale come to PL account. There only sale comes in trading account, but any expense connected with sale, administration, running, comes here. Now you believe and continue and later on again explain. I'll explain. But you remember, carriage inward comes in there and carriage outward here. You can write somewhere, you still, sir को फिर पूछना है इसको लिख के रख दो. Otherwise it will not be completed. But I can explain again later. But if I start this way too much, it will not be completed today. But I don't discourage you. Don't misunderstand me. Okay. Rent and taxes. Can you tell me what is it? Rent and taxes?
expense.
Rent and taxes. What type of expenses? Direct or indirect? Rent of what? Rent of your business house. Rent of your office.
Direct expense.
This is going to be indirect. You ask me direct indirect later. But this will be, this is connected to the administration. Business, it will come in here. Then you search out anything is there for trading account first. We shall finish trading account. Then do these things. Anything is there connected to trading account. Salary no, debtors no, creditors no, furniture, insurance, fixed stationery, nothing. And below, nothing is left except adjustment number 1.
So why are wages over there in trading but not salaries?
Which one?
Sir, वहाँ पे wages है पर salaries क्यों नहीं आ रही है? Trading में.
So can you explain salary by salary?
But can you do one thing? This question is right and left. And take up after completing.
Sir, but it's confusing us a lot. And
No confusion. No
The same
confusion.
process we
I
followed
wanted one
yesterday.
question you finish first. At least one question, finish first and then start asking questions. That will be better. Now you ask little bit,
but
but
that we did yesterday as well. Na? We completed that question, but
it was not completed yesterday. Completed? It was not completed. It didn't tell you. Okay, then you ask me. Ask.
Sir,
This
so
is a
basically-
tradition.
Basically, trading account, you will add all the sales related things.
No, trading account is only goods, you can say goods account.
Goods account.
It's a goods account. How much goods you have brought, how much goods you have sold, that much only.
Profit and loss, you will add.
Is connected with selling, administration, running the business, maintenance, office, all these things. Profit and loss account. Now, okay, stop it, no need. No need long video.